Toilets, handheld bidet sprayer with retractable by Star Giaggi is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B0750ZNRGHWKEEP babies happy and healthier and reduce the stress of cleaning cloth diapers with a premium diaper sprayer. Multifunctional pressurized bidet sprayer for toilet. This is the newest and upgraded handheld bidet sprayer kit for toilet. Dual spray models make you enjoy personal hygiene, and you can control water pressure for spray adjustability. The manufacturer uses super high-grade ABS parts that won't rust or corrode, which is really important for any bathroom appliance. Everything you need. This bathroom sprayer has everything you'll need for multiple children and hundreds of soiled diapers. It can also double as a handheld bidet sprayer, potty seat cleaner, toilet sprayer for cleaning, or tub shower sprayer cleaner. Health aspect. Bidets are beneficial for those who suffer from hemorrhoids or other medical conditions. Toilet paper can be irritating to the sensitive skin in the perineal area, and water provided by some bidets can offer relief. This is also true for older people who have less mobility, or very young children who cannot wipe themselves. Eco-friendly clean. A quick, easy installation. Each diaper sprayer comes with all the hardware you need to attach it to the tank or wall. What's more, the efficiency sprayer offers a firm, steady stream that doesn't cause overspray or messy extended cleanup. Great for your babies and adults alike, staying cleaner is easier than ever. Get one for your own bathroom or give them as a gift for a baby shower. Everyone will love their versatility. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Perfect solution for personal hygiene. Bidet sprayer provides easy and efficient way to get fresh gentle rinse or jet spray. Dual spray setting jet and soft for choice, can help to improve personal hygiene, provides a soothing, cleansing, sanitary wash with the press of button. More function. Use as toilet seat cleaner, bidet sprayer. Even can be used for a tub, shower, sink, or faucet washer or even as a water hose to give your dog shower. Lifetime warranty. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not happy with handheld bidet, we'll either send you a replacement or fully refund your purchase, whichever you choose. Your trust and business is that important to them. The handheld toilet sprayer is made of heavy-duty ABS polymers which is leak-free and resist to high pressure, and avoid blasting. Easy installation. Frustration-free to finish installation in a few minutes, no plumbers required, and no difficult tools needed, only die tools are enough, it's so easy.